Good day friends all over the world, welcome back on Beauty Plus Plus YouTube channel, and you're watching bio and other information you can know about your favorite celebrities' lifestyle and biography. Now we provide you with interesting information about famous person, model and social media stars. Right, now we are going to talk about one of the most beautiful on earth.
You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Hoover. She is a beautiful model and social media celebrities, with an impressive personality and gorgeous look. She's young and genetic model.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast.
Born and raised in Los Angeles, the USA. With their family and relatives, Hoover started her career as a facial model. She worked with many popular brands and agencies, including Fashion Nova and Industry Model.
I'm so late, you sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Aubrey is very active on social media and has thousands of followers on social media platform including Instagram, TikTok and many other.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a...
Do you like her beautiful smile and the way she dress? I think so.
Like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Thanks for watching this video. For educating and infotainment purposes, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. For our returning subscriber, we appreciate you. God bless you. If you are not yet subscribed, God bless you too. Have a nice time and bye.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks.